Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Your new home awaits you in Orchard, Hanover. Located in the esteemed gated community of Orchard Gardens, approximately 50 minutes from Montego Bay. This property offers the perfect blend of seclusion and convenience. This stunning 7 bedroom, 7.5 bathroom home offers an unparalleled living experience that includes expansive views of the Caribbean Sea, with every room designed to maximize comfort and style. The property features multiple indoor spaces and are well suited for family living and entertaining. Each room is elegantly appointed with modern fixtures and finishings. The 7 bedrooms are generously sized, offering varying combinations of ample closet space, a private terrace, 5 ensuite bathrooms, and breathtaking views. In addition to its remarkable interior, the well fruited property also boasts ample space for the enjoyment of nature's bounty. Whether you are looking for a full time residence or a vacation retreat, this exceptional home provides the best of island living with easy access to world class amenities, dining, and entertainment. Don't miss the opportunity to own this magnificent property in one of Hanover's most exclusive communities. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 850,000 or Jamaican $133.4 million. Dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.